Yes, there's something that I wanted to share with you guys, and please just go right in my comment section. Tell me your review about this hairstyle, and let's share to see how it is going to be.
Morris, the crochet.
All right, yes, in this video I'm going to try to be speedy because I want us to reach the main points and see how this hairstyle is going to work for us. But before we go far, let me first introduce myself. I'm Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. So if you want our services, you can always come at Hair by Clippers with Z. We are located in Intinda, Ministers Village, that is in Kampala, and still we are in Mbarara City, yeah, in Kamkuzi, behind BAM petrol station. Yes, so now let's try to focus on this hairstyle. It is very interesting. She came and she wanted something that is going to last longer but looking natural. Beside that, she wanted it in black, and I found that she had already tinted her hair, so we didn't want again to make the black shampoo to turn it to black again. So we just plated something that we know it is going to last longer for her, and this is the hairstyle that I chose to do. So please, I'm going to try to be speedy, but at the end of it all, we shall understand each other. And I would like you to go right in my comment section. You can like the video, and please make sure that you give me your review about this hairstyle, so that maybe if there is someone out there would love to do it, I'll be there to answer all your comments.
A little loving, oh, I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Tomukono mukugo bumaniche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master. Yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius. Akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, wa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Together. Morris. Thorns around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wa moyaka, Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good.
Yes, when we are done with all that, I know someone is going to ask herself that what is this hair extension that we're using. Yes, we're going to be using the soft kinky. So far, we're going to be using the soft kinky for Darling Company, and this is how it looks. So we're using it. Yes, let's try to see how it is going to happen. But if I try to correct you from here, when you're using this the soft kinky from Darling from Darling Company. The only thing you have to do, just try, don't overpack it. Just make sure that you pack it accordingly to someone's head. Yes, that those people have big heads, and you don't need to put a lot of this, because we don't want the hair extension to be a lot. So this is just helping us to hold the puff as we're going to be doing it right here. So when we're done with the puff, we're just going to remove everything the way it was. And why I meant this, I meant to do this doing this hairstyle is that, remember, her hair was already short and she wanted something natural when it is going to last longer for her. Then I decided to make sure that now this is like, I'm just trying to imagine that this is her own hair. Now, being her own hair, we're going to add the jumpy braids for her, like here in front, so that we create that natural look as you're going to be seeing. So let's continue with the hairstyle, and please make sure that you give me your review. Just write in my comment section, tell me what you feel about this hair, and I'll always feel good when you click on the like, so that we can keep on sharing the love. And please, if it's your first time to be on this channel, just know we always upload videos every week. I make sure that I upload a video. And yes, to those ones who the return subscribers, you're very welcome. So let's do it. And yes, those ones who would like to learn online courses, yes, we are still in the process, but very soon we are launching the website for you guys, so that you can learn online, and it's going to be on hairbyclippersinstitute.com. So I will clip there, that I will set you for you. I will add the link in my description, so that you can always follow that and we learn all those. For now, I'm gonna be signing out. May God bless you all, but I would like to see your review about this hairstyle. Bye bye, see you in my other next video.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wasa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. Your crochet master. Morris. Your crochet master. Crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Yeah. Yeah. No, no, no. Easy life and no twaze kuchigonza. MDC hair all bubu yaze kuchigonza. Yeah, yeah. Easy combi kunacho hair zigonza. Yeah. No sanity feeling I told in a pain. In a shampoo conditioner and treated. Busy go byabatona bakulu and check this. Bigonza nakavidi no nevikanyiriza. Bikola kunacho straight hair and bidizona. Holding on at your hair, NBC. Over straight hair, NBC. Hey, oh, it's one for you, is it come for you? Yeah.